Forest Studio provides special support for mathematics. All the tools in this video are available both in the notebook when solving assignments in textbooks as well as in the courses. The eMath book series and the crafts in it, which use the eMath environment, were written using the tools we present in this video. As you may already know, the text tool in the learning environment supports math. Normal text can be mixed with math by switching to math mode using the keys Ctrl+M. That's when we can write mathematical text both with the math panel and with LaTeX commands, and the text will be properly displayed in standard mathematics notation. A wide variety of math tools are also available. We will now get familiar with these tools in the notebook environment. Unlike in text tool, in the math tools we switch between text and math mode using a $sign. We can use the table tool to create tables which contain both normal text and math. The tool can also be used for creating statistical charts. In practice, math environment means the equation tool. Let's use it to solve the equation 4x minus 2 equals minus x plus 13. Equations or any other assignments can also be solved using structured derivations. As a structured derivation, the solution to the equation proceeds as follows. Usually, the calculations alone are not enough to solve a problem. We also need other types of explanations. That's when we might want to use the graph tool and the sign chart tool. Let's study the behavior of the function f of x equals x to the power of 2 minus 4 times x plus 1. When does it take negative values? We can easily plot the graph of the function with the graph tool. We can also use the tool to plot points, line segments defined by their endpoints, circles and lines, including vertical ones. Let's plot the graph of the function. We notice that it has 3 zeros. We could also study the behavior of this function using the sign chart tool. Let's try it. The expression for the value of the function is factorized, so we can easily study the factors. We take the first factor, x to the power of 2 minus 4. It has 2 zeros. And then we take the other factor, x plus 1. It has only 1 zero. We can pick the type of graph from this factor from the menu. The first one is a parabola opening up, which has 2 zeros, and the second one is an increasing line. Then we use this information to indicate when a factor takes positive values and when it takes negative values. Finally, we collect the results. We can use the geometry tool to draw geometric figures. Let's see how we can draw a circle inscribed in a triangle. We draw a triangle. And then we draw bisectors in each corner. We find their point of intersection and the normal through the point of intersection to one of the sides. Finally, we draw a circle. The center is the point of intersection between the bisectors. The point of the intersection between the normal and the side of the triangle is a point on the circle which gives us the radius. After we have created the figure, we can freely move the corners of the triangle. We notice that the inscribed circle is red drawn when we make changes to the triangle. Finally, let's see what the math elements look like when we exit the edit mode. They look good, don't they? We can freely adjust and study the figure that we have made with the geometry tool, even in reading mode.